teaching.
Mm-hmm.
I was teaching SAP PM since 2 years, and yeah, can I know about yourself?
How long have you been teaching EAM?
Since 2 years, 2 years.
Okay, you said PM 2 years and then EAM how many years?
No, no,
P
PM or EAM. PM or EAM in the sense, see, the simple difference between SAP PM EAM is just like SAP PM we will do in on-premise, and EAM we will do in cloud edition. And also the differences between PM and EAM is something like in PM we don't have AI connections, integrations, enhancements with AI. We don't find all these things in PM. Whereas in EAM we find all these things. That is the pretty much difference of between PM and EAM. Apart from that, both are maximum same in terms of functionalities, in terms of processes, in terms of in terms of operating systems, everything is same.
Okay. And
Hello.
I thought EAM was a governance uh a governance and then PM is not. Uh,
Yeah, yeah. So you're going now you're going to study it with me, right?
yes, yes, but we are just having this session to kind of have a sense of the course, right? To see how will be the course there. Because me, I'm also a functional consultant, but um, I have lots of interest in EAM, not PM, right? So, but PM is not demanded in my company, but EAM is, yeah, PM is, I think it's on ERP, but EM because there's additional tools like asset life management, predictive maintenance, right? And then those uh, those the integration part of it. That's some of the areas that I was very interested in. Yes, but um,
Okay.
I, yeah, I am. I worked in article for the last 3 years, article master, right? Which is one of the newer models. And then BP, I'm working on it right now, right? And yeah, and then the typical material, which is not. It's an area that have touched on, but it's not really a big area of interest. It's more EAM and article that I'm more interested in the most way. So, but okay. Mm,
Okay.
mhm. Yeah. S-
So yeah, you
Which is
live in which you live in?
yeah, I'm living in Canada. Living in Canada. Okay, so
Hmm.
yeah, in Alberta. Mm.
Yeah, what simply I'm going to tell you is like SAP, just forget about SAP PM. So if we talk about EAM, Enterprise Asset Management, we do have concepts like, first of all, we will go for the configuration. If we want to set up a system, first of all, we need to configure the system, right? So we will have a configuration part, and then we will go for master data. Master data in the sense we do have a technical objects. In PM, The technology is different. In EAM, the technology is different. In EAM, we call it as technical objects. In technical objects, we do have two categories, that is equipment and functional location. Do you have any idea about all these things, what I am just telling now?
Yes, yes, I read. I
Yeah.
read some of it, yeah, but yeah, but do you have the curriculum of this course?
Yes, I have just prepared introduction to you so that you can feel comfortable about the subject, and you might have some doubts regarding what is PM and what is the EAM, and how I can find the difference between that EAM and PM. So for that purpose, I have prepared a PPT. If you permit me, I'll show you that PPT, and I'll make you clear what exactly the difference between EAM and PM is.
Yeah, but I understand. But you said you will only touch the configuration.
No, no, no,
But
no, no. I'm not
mhm,
telling like that.
mhm.
I'll start with configuration, how to do the configuration. Until we do the configuration, we can't go for functionalities. So I'll start with configuration. I'll go for master data. Once all master data is done, and then I'll go to the main processes, that is maintenance processes. After that, when we complete maintenance processes, we will go for integration part, that how we integrate EAM with other systems and what are the technologies we use um in the system regarding with EAM, how we integrate with the other modules like finance, like ST, MM, how we create purchase order along with MM. We will see all these things, and then we will go for basis integration, how we create roles and other stuff. And yeah, uh, after that we will go for other specifications like tables, how we use tables in system, and finally we will go for calibration. In calibration, what are the things we can perform with EAM, and yeah, these are the things we will cover up in this course.
So what about the other stuff like replication and workflows, uh, preventive maintenance, those areas? Are you going
Yes,
to touch?
yes, yes. The maintenances are nothing but preventive maintenances. All will cover up in master data itself, because all the master data are, we have 12 kinds of master data in SAP PM, SAP EAM. You know that? In that, we will
Ah,
have all the maintenance processes like predictive, improvement, operational, preventive, op, all maintenances will cover up in that master data, and then all the notifications will cover up in that master data. We'll have equipment, we will have BOM, we will have functional locations, we will have class characteristics, we'll have task list. Okay, so like that, all the master data we will cover up in the master data. So the maintenance processes will come up in master data, and integrations in the sense we'll be having the test environment with us for training. So in that we cannot have the integration kind of things like AI integrations, AIN, asset intelligence network kind of integrations. We can't do that. But I can show you that how to write FS, how to write with ABAP, how to sit with ABAP, and tell him that how to integrate with other AI kind of functionalities. And yeah, I can make you prepare how to prepare FS functional specifications so that you can integrate with other operational things. I can show you that. but integrating system EAM system with other in our test environment is not possible. See, I should not lie you that I'll show you everything and I'll show you each and everything, but how much the scope is like we can see up to that I can show you. The integration part
And
in
then,
test environment we can't do, but I can
okay,
show you but I can show you that how can we can integrate, how should we write the FS so that we can integrate with other systems, third-party systems. Also, analytics part. This is very, very important in your job. So, what are the reports we can fetch in EAM in regards to the data which we have already inserted in the system? So, that analytics reports part I am going to show you.
okay. And then
So,
what about system access? Do you,
yeah, the system access will
what,
be providing by HKR group to both of us.
okay, when do you,
I don't know. You have to ask them.
oh, okay. Uh,
So I have already asked them.
in other classes, they don't they provide it on day one. They provide system access.
Yes, yes. First of all, they told me that you have to be comfortable with the student with you, unless until he is comfortable with you to start the classes, we'll not go further. So if you tell that, yeah, you are comfortable with me in getting trained of SAP EAM, they'll provide us a system so that we can start the classes. So once you give the clarification to them that yeah, I am comfortable with the tutor uh, from which I am learning SAP EAM, they'll go further and they'll start giving access to both of us that system access, and we will start the training from tomorrow or day after tomorrow probably.
How long is this training?
It would be 4 weeks, that is 1 month.
Okay. Now, and what schedule is it usually? What
So at what time you are comfortable?
uh yeah, it will depend. It will depend because on my current work, I'm working a very difficult. I'm working on KSA hours, which is Saudi Arabia hours. So it
Understood.
it yeah, it is a little difficult because I'm starting at 10 p.m. My time, MST, and then all the way to around 6 a.m. Uh, and obviously at 6 a.m. I'm exhausted. I would go to bed. So the only availability I have at that moment, it's only from around let's say 1 p.m. my time all the way to around 9 p.m. So 1 p.m. my time. So that's where I have to try to squeeze it. But where is your location?
India.
Yeah, my 1 p.m. my time in IST is let me check, but I think it's no, 1 p.m. MST to IST. 1 p.m. is quite, yeah, it's midnight over there. Probably not possible. And then 9 p.m. to IST. Yeah, it's around 8:30 a.m. your time. So I would think, I don't know, 7:30 your time. Like if I go 8 p.m. my time, like how long is like a typical session? How long is it?
Uh,
How long is how long is a typical session? Is it 2 hours, 1 hour, or
no, no, no. It would be 1 hour.
1 hour?
Yeah, and
And
1 hour it can stretch up to 1.5 hour if the subject is prolonging, and also if you will have doubts, right? So if I am starting my course and you are asking some doubts in it, of course you'll get doubts. And if subject is very much relevant and it is getting stretched, it might go to 1.5 to 1.75 hours also. I'm telling you now itself. And one more thing, MST in the sense is it mm, mountain time?
yes, MST
So
time, yeah, Mountain
okay,
Standard Time.
8:30 a.m. is uh okay, 9 p.m. is 8:30 a.m. in India. Is that so?
Yeah, I was just thinking here how I can plan it.
Okay,
Uh,
you can
Yes,
make it.
Wasim, it will be 8:30 a.m. in India.
So I think 8:30 p.m. is not possible to me because I also have to go to office, right? So yeah, and also from tomorrow I'll be on site in Maharashtra.
mhm.
So
Oh,
seven is very much fine for me.
7
Uh,
a.m. you're saying?
yes, 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 morning 7 a.m.
So 7 a.m. it will be 8 p.m. for you, Charles.
Okay, let me check here.
No, no, it will be
No,
7:30
no,
p.m.
7 a.m.
Yeah,
IST.
okay. 7 a.m., but if it takes an hour or an hour and a half, how are you gonna make it?
7:30 p.m. MST. Can you make it?
Yeah, but you said you have to work, right? And now you have to work at what time?
No, my early morning 7 a.m. is fine for me. So seven to 8:30 it is getting stretched, no problem to me. From 8:30 I'll get ready and I'll start to my office. So 7 a.m. would be fine for me. Otherwise, at night after 8 I'm okay. That might be 9 p.m. to me will be like
Hmm.
9 p.m. IST to MST.
It will be 9:30 a.m.
How about
Uh,
9:30 a.m. to you, Charles?
no, it's not possible because I'm done working at in the morning at 6 a.m. and then that's when I have to sleep, right? Because I'm just done from work, right? And then I'll be up around noon. It's because
Okay.
the schedule, yeah, like I explained, I'm working I'm not working MST schedule. I'm working uh AST schedule.
ASA. Yeah,
Yeah.
understood, understood.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. So
this
and
morning 7 a.m. is fine for me. Other than that, you're not finding time to sit, and also me. So, what we can do?
so if it's 6:30, let me see maybe here. If I go 6:30 IST your time. It's 7 a.m. my time, maybe 7 p.m. 6:30 a.m. Are you already up or
6:30 a.m. to me,
IST, which is 7 p.m. my time? That can
6:30
work.
a.m. IST. uh, to MST is 7 p.m. For you in Canada, it is 7 p.m. Will that be okay to you?
Yeah, that can work.
Okay,
Yes, that can work.
okay.
And
Morning 6:30, I'll adjust my time to morning 6:30, no problem. So, not tomorrow, from Monday early morning 6:30, I'm going to sit. For you, would be
yeah, but the lady that okay, when do you give access, system access? The HKR.
hello, Sophie. Hello, Miss HKR Group.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
You do you when do you already you guys have your school or has a system access, right?
Like
Your
system
school
access
your
means
school your school has system access, EAM access?
Ma'am,
yes, yes,
let me
yes, we
let
will
me
provide.
You have EAM access, right? So and then when is
Yeah.
it given?
Maybe by Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I would like to know to see that, right? So to see us because there are systems before that did not have they had issues and stuff like that. It was not possible to do much on it, right? But yeah, if I can have access to the system, I can check the all the uh if everything is there, that would be appreciated. Yeah. Mm,
yeah.
okay.
Ma'am, your good name, please.
It's
Charles.
Mayuri.
Sorry, ma'am.
Mayuri.
Mayuri.
Yeah.
Ma'am, yeah, you just provide the system access to both of us. After that, I have to check all the system specifications once before getting into train,
Okay.
because I have to check whether all the configurations are in place or not. So if not, I have to do some configurations in that so that Charles can understand better. So once it is done,
Yeah.
I'll start my classes from Monday. So from up to Monday, you just try to give the
Yeah,
details of
when
server.
we connect on Monday early morning, you can just give the introduction part for the first session, and on Monday itself, you will be getting the server access, I hope. So you can go through that on Monday. Um,
Okay,
you can work on it on from Tuesday session, right?
fine. Is that fine to you,
Uh,
Charles?
Not really, because I want to see the system to make sure. Because before I had an issues with that, and it was just the system was not given as they said, right? And then it's not possible to understand without being on the system because
Okay, Charlie,
yeah,
so I will just speak with the management to provide the system
mm,
access to you before the training
mm.
itself. Okay?
Yeah, yeah, because I was thinking you guys already have quite a permanent system because you are a school, right? So that's why I was like, yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay,
No,
okay.
actually, the thing is, we have two kinds of system servers. One is on-premise and one is cloud. On-premise, getting on-premise, that is a private cloud is very easy outside. We have several vendors who sells the service of on-premise or on-premise servers, but it is difficult to find to get cloud server access from outside. So pretty much small people will sell those on cloud edition of servers. So that is why they are finding difficulty in buying those server details. That is why it is getting late. Otherwise, on-premise details, it is very easy to get. Am I right, HKR Group?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So that's the
Yeah.
scene. Whenever we get the server, we will start the training. Other than that, we don't join, right? That's what you want to tell.
Yeah, because there is a few systems, like you said here, sometimes that are sold by third party, and it's usually a remote desktop, right? So, and
Correct,
as long
correct,
as it
correct.
works, yeah, I don't have any issues as long as it works, and then everything is in there. And then I know EAM systems are a little hard
Fine.
to get access to, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
the EAM system itself, right? So, right, so and yeah, and now because I remember in the past
Currently,
there
I'm
used to be
working on
another
EAM.
school.
Currently,
Yeah.
I'm working on Cloud Edition EAM system. I'm handling three projects parallelly in the cloud system. So, this is my personal laptop from which I'm joining to you. But in office laptop, there is no access to join, in third party, meeting apps. If that was possible in that system, I might have shown now itself to you that how system will look like, uh, SAP EAM like. So, okay, fine then. Whenever they provide the access, we will join with the access only. Once the access is given, we will join at 6:30 a.m. my time, and your time would be?
Uh, 6 to it will be about 7 p.m.
Yeah,
About 7.
yeah.
Yeah.
We'll join in that time and we'll start. Uh,
Okay. So the lady, are you confirming during the weekend? How am I going to know if it's confirmed?
Sorry?
Are you
he's
going to
asking when.
notify? Are you going to notify once the system is
Ah, yes,
available?
yes, I will be notifying you.
Okay,
Okay? Yeah.
sure. Mm,
Uh,
Okay,
okay,
Charles. It's a very, very good meeting you. Nice meeting you. We'll meet soon whenever we get server and we'll start the training. All right?
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. It was
Yeah.
nice meeting you. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Charles. Thank you,
Okay.
Mayuri ma'am.
Mm, okay. Mm.
yeah, thank you.